On the 20th of July 2021, Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya North Macedonia celebrated Eid al-Adha in their Namaz Center Baitul Ahad in Perchevo. About 50 Ahmadis from 3 cities gathered for the Eid prayer. The missionary led Eid prayer and delivered an Eid sermon in which he talked about the sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim a.s., Hazrat Hajar a.s. and their son Hazrat Ismail a.s. And he said that this sacrifice and their example show that God always protects those who sacrifice for the sake of Him. Their sacrifice lasted for a limited amount of time, but the reward and remembrance of it lasts until today. If our men follow the example of Hazrat Ibrahim a.s., our women follow the example of Hazrat Hajar a.s., and our children follow the example of Hazrat Ismail a.s., they can receive the same blessings from God. In his Eid sermon, he also mentioned that the companions of Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ sacrificed for the sake of Islam, and now Islam will spread in the whole world through the promised Messiah ﷺ and his Jamaat. We should reform ourselves so that we can follow in the footsteps of these holy people. The Eid sermon was followed by silent prayer. Later on, the guests were served with refreshments. Faiza Ahmad, MTA International News, North Macedonia.